pretty bad.
So I reckon it's, yeah, it's coolant, straight coolant, yeah. So it's got to be that coolant hose. That's at least it's easy to access. Yo, what is up guys? Today we're taking the Galant on its maiden voyage. We've got an awesome lineup of very fun, fast cars, and for once my car can keep up, which is great. And for me, this cruise isn't about ripping the Galant or anything like that. It's literally just about getting familiar with it, you know, learning the feel of the car, because it is so different to the Integra. I can't stress that enough. So what we've got are a few of the guys and girls from the previous cruise I went on. That WRX used to be bagged on white wheels, and the owner of that, Talon, has now handed it over to his fiance, and he has this stunning WRX STI. We've got Julie's GTI, which has now gone stage 2 with a bigger downpipe. And we've got David's red Evo, which we also saw last time, which is currently experiencing a few issues. So we've got a split radiator hose, coolant hose somewhere, needs a bit of duct tape to fix that.
Man, these fucking Evos, huh? What the fuck is up with these Evos?
What's up with these Evos, man? Must be a Mitsubishi thing. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, where'd you get these hoses from?
Overflow.
Oh,
They're one.
Oh, nice. How are you doing?
Hello. I was feeling a bit sick.
Feeling a bit sick?
Yeah.
So was Sarah. She couldn't even like get the camera out to start recording. She just has to look straight ahead. And of course, we've all met Leander before with his white Evo 7. What a car. It's recently been tuned and putting out around 200 kilowatts at the wheels.
202?
202, oh, gotta add the 2. But it is a heartbreaker dyno, so I'm guessing it feels a lot faster than 200. And we've got Locke in the Honda Civic. That Civic that I thought had engine work done to it because of how fast he is as a driver. So looking forward to seeing more of that today. But yeah, I'm just going to be taking it real easy and just learning the Galant. Man, what a beast. I just can't believe how cold this AC is. It's crazy.
It works.
Yeah, I mean, wow.
The AC in the Integra is just a fan. Okay?
Yeah.
It's a fan. Don't try and
Legit.
make it seem like it's some other fan.
Just a fan.
It's a fan.
I mean, that's why I didn't run it, because I was just like, oh, something's wrong with it. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh, so pretty. So helpful right now. Just what do you call it? Supervising? Is that what you call it? Supervising. This speed, like this acceleration, boy, I gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
Because like the Integra, just, you can pin your foot to the floor and not be afraid.
Yeah.
But with this, holy shit. Alright guys, we've made it to the top of Mount Donna and it is stunning up here. This is my element. I love winter, I love the cold, and oh, it's marvelous.
Please leave. Yeah. Bedtime.
Oh, didn't realize I need to get some cardio today. Oh wow, in heaven. Wow, I love that. I like that like dark grey patch over there.
Wow.
Was it worth the climb?
Yeah.
Absolutely,
All this
right?
beautiful mist.
Yeah, it's like vape. David's probably like, oh,
You, Dave.
so used to this.
Live, ready for a bathroom break. Gonna have a wee.
So we've got some super glue in the crack and some electrical tape going over the hose. Hopefully that'll get David home. I'm so in love with this car, guys. Fucking look at that. Ah, it's so beautiful. Can't wait to get it cut and polished. Sarah's in the cabin, munching away. She's not a fan of this beautiful cold weather. The process. Many minutes later, Julie came in clutch, MVP, 2 bottles of coolant, so David's gonna make it home. Oh, god damn. That looks sick.
Oh, mate.
See you, dude.
Yeah, see ya.
Continue straight.
Holy fuck, you can't see anything. It's stunning. But yeah, not ideal.